Hey gorgeous, today we're going to learn how to twerk in a dress. Let's go. As you can see, I'm wearing a dress, a little bit extra. I'm not wearing any shoes now because I'm not sure what you're going to be wearing in the club. Some people go out in heels. You crazy though? I do definitely not do that. I wear sneakers even when I wear a dress, but we're in the Netherlands and everything's normal here. People don't go out in dresses at all. But if you do go out in dresses, this tutorial is perfect for you. Or if you ever wear dresses, or you're at a very nice beach party with a little sundress and you want to, I am going to teach you a few ways on how not to flash someone when you are wearing a dress, but you still want to go down and dirty. So the first one is kind of obvious. If you are wearing a short dress, then obviously you're gonna have to keep your legs close together and make sure that your hands are always a little bit at the front so you can push it down when need be. So we're pretending that we're wearing a very short dress right now. And if we are going to twerk, we can either keep it up here so you can keep your legs a little bit further apart, as well as if you want, you can jump, bounce, and twerk. So I have a few tutorials on this, but little recap, you come up to your toes, you lift your heels, and you squeeze your lower back so your booty pops up. So tap, tap, tap. You can practice this with a mirror, you can practice this with a chair, whatever. So this is one option that you can always do with the dress. Then second option, if you're wearing a very short dress, or this one, doesn't really matter, you are going to keep your legs close together and you're gonna whine. So you whine and you bend over a little bit, not too much depending on how short your dress is. You're gonna whine, A. So you make circles with your hips. Let me show you from here. A. And then you can also go down. This is a little bit harder. It's gonna need some balance. You can hold on to a mirror. You keep your legs together because you don't want to flash anyone again. Or if you're standing in front of a wall, obviously, then you can open your legs, but make sure that your hands are always close to the crotch so you can prevent any accidents from happening. You go down, A, and you just bounce here. A, two, and then you come back up. Okay, and then last one, fourth one, I think. This is for when you have a little bit longer dress, because yes, of course it's nice if you twerk like this, with everything hanging here and everything moving, but you know what's even cuter? If you flip part of your dress to the front, and then you have a lot of coverage at the front as well, so you kind of make a little tail at the front. And then you kind of made your dress a little bit tighter around the booty, and you gave it some volume here because you've wrapped everything around. And then you use that to twerk. And then also, obviously, you can go down with your legs open because no one can see anything because your dress is hanging there. And then up, I hope these 4 tips for how to twerk in a dress helped. See you next time.